there's an order block inside. And you find out that the market didn't touch the bottom one, it touched the first one and then turned. But when you dig deep inside, you find out that the reason why it didn't touch this one here, it's because there was another one on top. If this one on top failed, and then the market will come to this one.
Okay.
And remember, if you use this one, if you use this H11, that means your stop loss will be 20 pips, 30 pips, it will be huge. So remember, I just talked about now 5 pips, 3 pips, you understand? And remember, your stop loss should be outside this area. Can you see? Should be outside the block. So do you guys have any questions? Or are you guys good?
So basically, you execute on a smaller time frame.
Yes. You dig deep inside. You dig deep.
Hello?
Yeah.
I just want to thank you, bro. The information that you gave me today, it's amazing, bro.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Yeah. And the explanation is accurate. It's accurate. You know, I don't have any question because I understand everything that you just taught me. Yeah, powerful.
Thanks a lot, King.
Sure.
That's how it be. Keep it nice and simple. That's me. And can you see working hard? So can you see here with you can execute with one big lot size and stop loss is just close. Because you know it's a turning point. If it doesn't turn there, that means it wasn't really what we're looking for. Can you see that? Thanks. Can you see it? You guys with me? So yeah. So that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you guys have any questions, you can communicate in the group. We can check something there. You know, try identifying order blocks. We look at them. We tell each other, this one is not an order block. That's an order block. That's how you learn. You also learn from each other. That's why I don't give signals. Imagine me giving signals. People won't learn. Imagine if I stopped teaching and then what did I leave for you to learn? Nothing. Now you're going around looking for a mentor because Austin only gave you signals. Can you see that? So that's that. So me, I teach you how to do things. So one day when I stop teaching, you know that for a fact, Austin taught me something. You understand? I didn't just, let's say, Austin was sending signals only. Austin, and you took in stories like, I used to make money using that guy's signal, that guy Austin's signal. But now you're talking present of, I'm still making money using the knowledge that Austin gave me or whatsoever. Can you see that? You're talking presence. So if I was a signal provider, you'll be talking past tense if I stop providing signals. But since I gave you knowledge, I'm talking present tense, no matter when. I'll be talking present tense to you. Even if you're talking to someone and you're a profitable trader, you will talk present tense that guy gave me a knowledge that I'm still using now. I'm still making money out of now in the present. Not I used to make money when that guy used to give signals before he started focusing on his side businesses or whatsoever. Can you see that? So that's the benefit of making your own signals, knowing why the market hits stop loss, knowing take profit, knowing where to put stop loss. That's why it's very important. It might take some time, but trust me, it's worth it. It's worth paying 1,000 Rand a month. It's worth paying 2,000 Rand a month for signals. That will even blow your account. What if you don't even make that 2,000 back? You understand? It's better than that. It's better when you're getting the knowledge. Okay. So how do you extend the highlight area without dragging it? You just do this. Let me show you. You just do this. You just take it like this. Let's say you see an order block. Let's say somewhere here. see something, but you want to drag it all the way. You just press it, rectangle properties, and then you go to parameters. At the time, can you see these 2 times? Remove the bottom one. As can you see there's 4, just press 5. And then it will go. No need for you to drag. Imagine me dragging from here, dragging, and then I go again, and then drag. Now, what I need to do is simple. What I do is see the order block, get small, hey, I saw this thing. Who's that guy again? I forgot. That guy who exposes scammers and all those things, or fake traders, or people that makes money from this and this and this and this. Me guys, I'm gonna give you one tip. Né? People who scam in the Forex industry, they will never end. People who scam in the Forex industry, they will never end. So that thing of focusing on too much of these guys who have this car, but his students are suffering, he's just making money out of this, he's broke now, he doesn't make money from trading, he's doing this. Those things, they won't take you nowhere. Trust me. Those things, they won't take you nowhere. Yeah, it's good to show people that, yeah, this one is a scam, this one is but trust me, if you focus on that, on reality, hey, it's going to take you nowhere, man. Why not only focus on you? You understand? And grow. And then when you grow as a legit person, you are able to tell anyone that you are a scam. You understand? You are what? If you know that you are legit and stuff, maybe you can point out from them. Because these guys who are scammers, they'll just look at you like, hey, look who's telling me I'm a scam. Why are you hating? They'll tell you things, even though you're telling the truth. But these guys who are scammers, they'll tell you things like, you're just hating on a black person. You understand? And then you feel like you're not really hating, but you're just outlining facts. And then that's what they'll tell you. You doubt yourself that you are just hating on a black person. People, and then they'll start posting you. People like this, they want to see black people succeed. You understand? Even though you came up with facts and it's really facts, but these guys, they'll always have their own fans. You understand? Because they have the material to advertise to people. And I was making an example was it on the beginners group or advanced group? I was saying that me, for example, I don't have a car yet, but I have a lot of students, learning. Like there's a lot of students that are learning from me. Like there's a lot. There's about 4 groups. Yeah, there's about 4 groups or 3. So now I was saying, imagine if I buy a car. Next thing they'll tell me, he's making money. He bought that car through what, or he's making money through students, blah, 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 blah. To find out, no. Me, I also trade. I don't just sit back and wait for students. I imagine all students die due to COVID. People start dying, and then I won't be able to make money. Come on. So I trade. That's why I trade on my own. Can you see that? Because I know that when I teach, I'm learning.
That's funny. All the students die.
Can you see that? So you have to think of those things. That's why you have to trade. What if people start dying? People don't care about Forex now. They just want to focus on their health because people are dying out there. They don't want to make money. They just want to be safe. And then what will you do as the person who was dependent on, students' money? You understand? Because now you're not trading, but you are dependent on their money. But you were just advertising that as if you're trading and stuff. Now, no. So that's that. So that's why you have to trade. So you know that even if someone comes, blackmail you or what you